Development of the financial system from ancient times to the present. The financial system has evolved over thousands of years, adapting to technological advancements, economic needs, and societal changes. This detailed expansion covers the origins of money, the rise of banking, financial markets, modern finance, and the digital revolution. What we will talk about: origins of money and early trade systems. This section explores the evolution from barter to commodity money and the introduction of coins. It highlights how early trade systems developed through practical needs for value storage and exchange, setting the foundation for modern financial systems.
Barter system. Early economies relied on direct exchange of goods and services. Commodity money. Precious metals, gold, silver, salt, and other valuables became mediums of exchange. First coins. Introduced around 600 BCE by the Lydians, modern-day Turkey, facilitating trade. Rise of banking and credit systems, ancient to medieval period. The rise of banking and credit systems began in ancient Mesopotamia with temple-based lending, evolving through Greek and Roman moneylenders. In medieval Europe, Italian merchant banks introduced bills of exchange and credit networks, laying the groundwork for modern finance. Early banking, Mesopotamia, Egypt, Greece, Rome. Temples and palaces stored valuables and facilitated lending. Roman banking system developed rudimentary banking, including deposits, loans, and currency exchange. Medieval banking, Italy, 12th to 15th centuries. Rise of banking families, e.g. Medici, and the first bills of exchange. Joint stock companies, 16th to 17th centuries. Enabled large-scale trade financing, e.g. Dutch East India Company. The evolution of paper money and central banking, 17th to 19th centuries. This period marked the transition from metal coins to paper currency, beginning with early banknotes in China and later in Europe. Central banks like the Bank of England emerged to stabilize money supply, while the gold standard anchored currencies to precious metal reserves. Introduction of banknotes. China, Tang and Song dynasties. Europe, Sweden, Stockholm's Banco, 1661. Emergence of central banks. Bank of England, 1694, set the precedent for modern central banking. Gold standard, 19th century, established a fixed exchange rate system based on gold reserves. The expansion of financial markets and institutions, 19th to 20th centuries. The 19th to 20th centuries saw a rapid expansion of financial markets and institutions, including stock exchanges, central banks, and global capital flows. Innovations in banking, bonds, and regulation supported industrial growth and laid the groundwork for today's global financial system. Stock exchanges and capital markets. New York Stock Exchange, 1792, and other global markets developed. Modern banking systems. Retail, investment, and commercial banks structured the economy. The Federal Reserve System, 1913, USA, established to regulate monetary policy and banking stability. Bretton Woods Agreement, 1944, set fixed exchange rates and led to the creation of the IMF and World Bank. The shift to digital finance, late 20th century present. The shift to digital finance transformed banking and payments through ATMs, credit cards, online banking, and mobile apps. From the 1970s onward, technology enabled faster, more secure transactions, leading to today's fintech innovations, digital currencies, and decentralized finance, DeFi. Abandonment of the gold standard, 1971. Shift to fiat money backed by government trust. Rise of electronic banking, 1970s to 1990s. ATMs, credit cards, online banking revolutionized transactions. deregulation and globalization. Free markets, financial instruments, derivatives, and multinational banks expanded. The era of cryptocurrency and digital finance, 21st century. The 21st century ushered in a digital finance revolution, led by cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and blockchain technology. This era includes decentralized finance, DeFi, fintech innovations, mobile banking, and the emergence of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Bitcoin and blockchain, 2009 present. Decentralized finance, DeFi, smart contracts, and digital assets emerged. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Governments exploring digital versions of fiat currency. Fintech revolution. Mobile payments, AI-driven finance, and decentralized applications, DeFi. Regulatory challenges and future trends. Governments balancing innovation with financial stability. Conclusion. This timeline provides a structured overview of how financial systems evolved from simple barter economies to the complex digital finance landscape we have today. Would you like any section expanded?
Hello everyone. I am very excited to share my new YouTube video with you, and I need your support to continue to bring quality and enriching content. If you enjoyed my content, please help me by like the video. It helps me reach more people and spread the message. Subscribe to the channel using the subscribe button below so you don't miss any new update or video. Press the bell to receive notifications every time I upload new content. And if you would like to support me directly and help me create more content, you are welcome to join me on Patreon. Your support is significant for me and allows me to continue investing in creating quality and enjoyable content for you. Thank you so much for joining and watching. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. See you in the next video.